Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Apa's video.
Cooking apa?
There was about 40, 50 people today. How many of you are actually my followers? Can I have a show of hands? Oh, okay, thanks for coming. And if you like the pork, you can probably order something back towards the end, up to you. No force, no pressure. Andrew and Natasha, they are very nice people. And you can even order from online. Yeah, you can even order online on their product if you want. Right? So, I'll pass it back to you.
Actually, I'm quite happy that we saw it 3 months ago. 2 months ago, we got a new menu.
Yeah, so it's not like we're going to make you full, but I think we're going to give you at least a taste of it.
It looks darker, right? But it's actually the original color is actually more whiter. The darker color is actually because of the dark soya sauce. Okay? And before you cook, you will notice the color you're looking at right now on the Iberico top line is actually almost the original color before I cook. So the original color itself is already beef-alike. You would think you are cooking beef-like. So it is so different. The meat texture itself is very, very different. So what I did is, of course, I marinate. I use the same marination, some light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine. Yeah, light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and a bit of cornstarch. And I also put in some oil. The reason why I put in the oil after marination is because the moment when you start stir frying, the meat will not stick together. This is something that you can do at home also. Right after you put in all your marination, finish it, marinate everything, put in few. A combination between garlic, breadcrumb, salted black bean, and a little bit of dried chili. Okay, of course you need to put in a little bit of salt, just for flavor. So you just fry them until it is a little bit brownish. Then you can use this powder to cook anything. You can cook ribs, you can cook your prawn. I actually just uploaded one video on prawn using the same way. And then you can use it on crab also. Of course, the most popular one is crab one. Okay? And the beauty of Iberico pork here, especially from curious grocer, you can actually order and purchase their pre-cooked ribs. So meaning it is already cooked when you bought it and they're vacuum packed for you. When they send it to you, all you need to do is just use your oven to bake it for a minute or two, grill it for a minute or two under high heat, done, you can eat already. So how they pre-cook it, they actually use medium heat at about 150 degrees to bake it for more than 1 hour. slow bake, right?
Yeah.
For 1 hour or 1.5 hours?
More than 2 hours.
Oh, this is actually more than 2 hours. This is why you see the meat itself is actually falling apart from the bone itself. Alright? So it is very, very flavorful.